What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we are taking a deep dive into Polymaker's Polylite ABS in white. One of the things I do like about Polymaker is the fact that it comes in this nice cardboard box. Makes it really easy to open and break down. Also, I'm a fan of their cardboard spools, and the fact that it comes with this resealable bag with these nice little tabs here that makes it a little bit easier to open up. If you're in a pinch for storage or just getting into a hobby, these bags are reusable and make pretty good use if you don't need the UV protection. Anyway, for ABS, we're going to go ahead and put this in the filament dryer because we always dry our filament here at Legal Automations. So I'll see you there. See you at the benchy soon. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio. This helps give a baseline. So this one should take a little under an hour, and we'll be able to get that done with all the other test prints, which are here. By the way, if you're printing with ABS, you gotta make sure that you have an enclosed machine, just because there are some fumes that can be irritating and problematic, so just be on the lookout for that. Anyway, here is the generic benchy. No real major issues as far as I can tell here. So yeah, it looks pretty good. This is the dimensional cube. This one's printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. Again, no real major issues. It is a little bit stronger and therefore a little bit heftier when it comes to some filament. Anyway, this one, the temperature tower, the best one looks to be 260. I know that there is some globbing there, but that one was the one with the least amount of stringing and least amount of globbing as well. Next up, we have the retraction test. And for this one, no real major issues with the overall retraction there. For the max volumetric speed test, there was a little bit of deformation as we got to some of the higher speed there, so I'd probably dial it back to 25 millimeters per second cubed, just as a precaution there. Next up, we had the overhang test. Overhang test succeeded. There was quite a bit of issues once with detail once we got a little bit higher. So just be on the lookout for that if you need something finer detailed. You're going to want to enable supports a little bit early. Overall, though, we got the settings dialed in and reprinted that benchy, which looks absolutely amazing. Anything I changed is down in the description below. Anyway, over at Amazon, you can pick this up for less than $19 at time of filming, which is pretty good for ABS. So yeah. All right. So my overall thoughts: I'm a huge fan of Polymaker and a lot of their filament types. I happen to like it. I just need ABS for something which needs to be heat resistant. So figured I'd do a review. And yeah, if you're looking for this white, it's pretty good. Anyway, this has been Polymaker's Polylite ABS in white. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things, ring that bell, everything like that. I'm a new channel and it goes a very, very long way. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here at the next full review. Thanks.